564. So go ahead and turn to those pages so you're ready. 563 and 564.
563 and 564, right?
Correct. All right. I'm just waiting for 2 more. There they go. Bernadette, 1 more. Bernadette, Lily, Pia, Grace, Grant, Irfan, Alex. We need a Jack. There he is.
Hello. He's here.
Awesome. Okay. All right. Page 563.
Miss Palmer, Mr. Gilbert's trying to fix my camera, so sorry that isn't working right now.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me know.
I don't know what exactly is going to happen.
Okay.
But all I know is, he said he was going to try and start my computer. Too surprised if anything random happens.
Thank you for letting me know. Okay, good. And Lily, are you here? I can't see you. I'm just looking at like a unicorn whale, maybe. You're here twice now with a unicorn?
It's a narwhal.
Oh, it is a narwhal. Okay. Lily, I see 2 narwhals, but I don't see a Lily. Can you fix your camera?
I can't because my camera doesn't work either.
Whose camera doesn't work, Jack?
No, Lily's and Jack's.
Yeah.
Oh, Lily's isn't working either?
Our cameras need to be working right now.
Okay. Okay, all right. Okay. We're going to...
And Mr. Kilga. I was telling Lily to tell Mr. Gilger.
Okay. We're going to start checking number 1 on page 563. Grace, what did you get for number... Oh, no, number 1 they did for us. We're going to start with number 2. Grace, number 2, you had to multiply the number of pounds by what? 4. To find the total cost.
And for that one box, I did 18 times 4.
Very
and I got 72.
So number 2, on the blank, you should have put 4, and then in the box, 72. Okay. 4, box, 72. Okay. Number 3, Grant.
5 in the blank and I said 65 in the box.
Good. You write that down. 520. And number 4, Pia. There was 3. What did you get for 4, Pia?
I multiplied by 12 to find the amount earned. And in the blank, I have 672.
Yes, good work. 12 and 672. Okay. Number 5, Irfan.
Oh, sorry. I didn't do this page.
Why not? Did you do the next page?
No, but I didn't write it down for homework.
Okay. Alex, number 5.
Number 5?
Yes.
A map's key shows that every 5 inches on the map represents...
It's okay. Just tell me your answers for it, Alex.
Okay. The reason I was saying that is because I did not get 5 and 6. I only did 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. Bernadette, number 5.
Okay, so I said multiply the number of inches by 40 to find the distance in miles. So 280 miles between the 2 cities.
Wait, Mrs. Palmer.
Excellent. 280.
Can I do this page for tomorrow and the page that we're getting from homework for tomorrow? And then
Bernadette, that was good. You had to multiply by 40, and your answer is 280 miles. Number 6 goes to Jack.
Suppose the number of eggs used.
It's okay. Just give me your answer, Jack.
I actually forgot to do this one. That's why I started.
Oh, okay.
I did everything else.
All right, I'm going to go to Lily. Lily, number 6. Lily, are you with me? Okay, missing a Lily. And yeah, Jack, I can see that you're working with Mr. Gilger. I'm going to go back up to Grace for number 6.
Number 6, I put divide by 2, and that's 24 yards of trim. That's
it. Good. Divide by 2, and you get 24 yards of trim. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Number 1, Grant.
One second. Okay, number 1, I said 52 is 3 times as much.
Good. You have to multiply by 3.
Yeah. Wait, no, I mean, sequence 2 is 3 times as much as sequence 1.
Good. Number 2, Pia.
Number 2, I have 72.
Good. Number 3, Irfan. Oh, you didn't do that one. Number 3, Alex.
Number 3? What is the value of the following
I just want your
expression?
answer, Alex.
10.
10, correct. Number 4, Bernadette.
I said 90,000.
Oh, Miss Palmer, I did do this page. I was on the wrong one. I did do 563 and 564. If that's what we're on, I was on the wrong page. I just turned the page and saw that I did this, and I was like, oh, yeah, I knew the answer. Number 6. I just thought I was. I thought we were on 561, which number 6 and number 5 and all that other stuff I didn't do.
Okay. What did you get for number 5 on 564, Jack?
Half. 1/2.
Yes, good. We round 3/8 to 1/2 and 1/12 to 0. Add it together, you get 1/2. And number 6, the very last one, back to Grace.
For number 6, I put 3/12.
Good. And we could simplify 3/12 to what, Grace?
1/4.
Good. And let's give it the label of cup. So number 6, 1/4 cup. All right. Very good work. Okay. Can you guys believe we only have 2 more weeks of school? Just this week, next week, and then you guys are done.
Palmer. Okay, so when we're bringing your books, Mrs. Palmer, should we bring all of our books, or like, is there only some books that you want?
For math, you can keep your math book. So when you bring your books back, when you bring your books back, you'll bring the hardback books, but like something like your math book, you know, that's a softback, you can keep that. Your religion book, you can keep.
So do we keep all our math stuff and not bring anything?
Yep, you don't have to bring any math back.
Okay.
Those are keepers. You can like read them for your pleasure all summer. Woohoo!
I'll do math.
I'm gonna burn mine.
Now there's some.
I'm gonna keep my stuff.
It's so good for the environment.
My mom likes putting my mom likes.
I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do this summer. I don't know if I'm just gonna hang out at home or go like Florida.
Really, Mom, and
I feel like I'm going to Florida.
Yep, there's pages we haven't done that you guys could work on. But for now, we're going to jump ahead to page 569. Page 569 is like the end of the next section, but you guys already have learned enough skills to do it. We're gonna look at number 1 together. It's the same thing basically you were doing for homework over the weekend, writing a rule and completing the table. Okay, so we're on page 569. So everybody get to the right spot, 569. Okay, and let's look at number 1. They give us a chart. Faye buys 15 t-shirts. They're on sale for $3 each. How much money does she spend? And they tell us multiply the number of t-shirts by 3. And did they do this one for you? Where they multiplied 15 by 3 and it says the total amount is $45?
No. Yeah, they actually did it.
They did that? Okay. $45. Okay. So, Pia, would you read number 2? Like, just read us the whole problem.
Okay. The Gilman family joins a fitness center. They pay $35 per month. By the 12th month, how much money will the Gilman family have spent?
Okay, good. So we're looking at the chart.
Want me to, do it?
What do you think, Lily or Pia? What do you think is happening in the chart? What do you think we have to do? What's the rule? Pia.
It looks like they're multiplying by 35.
Yes, good. So the rule you can write in there.
It looks like they're multiplying by 35.
Multiply by 35 for the rule. Good. Okay. And then we have to solve the problem, like answer the question. By the 12th month, how much will they have spent, Pia? So you're going to multiply 12 by 35. All right, so everyone can do that multiplication problem. See if you get the same thing Pia does.
420. I got $420.
Very good. So we had to multiply by 35, and the answer is $420.
May I go to the restroom, please?
Thank you.
Yes, you are welcome. Okay.
How do you
How do you exactly spend $420? Makes no sense.
All right, let's look at number 3. And actually, that one is for you, Irfan. Could you read number 3 for us?
Okay. So Haiti is stacking paper cups. Each stack of 15 cups is 6 inches high, with a total height of 10 stacks of cups. So one stack is 6 inches. So that means that we should times 10 by 6, which will make us get with 60.
Good. Okay, so for number 3, our rule is multiply by 6. And then our answer is, Irfan did 10 times 6, and our answer is 60 inches. Good job. I knew you guys could do this without going through the previous pages. Okay. You guys can cross off number 4, but we're going to look at page 570.
Is this for homework?
No, we're just going to do 570 right now.
Okay.
Okay. Let's look at number 1. And Alex, could you read number 1 for us?
Sure. How many squares are needed to make the 8th figure in the pattern?
Okay. So the first figure has 1. The second figure has 3. The third figure has 5. So there's a pattern there. What's the pattern?
You have to have in the fourth figure. Oh, sorry, eighth figure.
Yeah.
7, 9, 11. Would that be 15?
Yes, it would. Okay. So they're counting by 2s, right? The first figure has 1, the second has 3, the third has 5. So if you count by 3 or count by 2s, and they want to know what's in the 8th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alex went to the 8th number, and it is 15. Okay. Good job. Number 2, Bernadette, would you read that one for us?
Sure. What expression could describe the number of squares in the next figure in the pattern, figure 4? So I said 11 squares.
Good. 11 squares. All right, we just keep adding 3. So we're going to do 8 plus 3 and get 11 squares.
So are problems like this going to be in the test, or is this like with the figures, or
yeah. So your assessment for this chapter is basically your daily classwork with me.
Okay.
Okay. Because yeah.
Mrs. Palmer, when does school end? When does summer start?
On the 20th.
After next week. Yeah.
The 22nd.
So we just have to finish this week.
The 22nd.
This week and next week we're done.
The 22nd
next Tuesday
is currently.
Is this
today? Is the 11th. We have this week and next week, Alex,
11th.
and then we're done. Okay. Number 3, Jack. Can you read that one for us?
Yes.
Well, you're not paying attention. We're looking
Her collection of stickers equally in 7 albums. If she has 567 stickers, how many stickers are in each album? So you gotta do 567 divided by 7, and you get 81. Right. Magic.
Correct. 81. Right. 500. And don't forget to give it a label, Jack. 81 stickers.
Like 9 days of school. Wow.
Number 4. Hey, Lily, you're back. And your camera works. Yay. Okay. We're on page 570, Lily. Grace, could you read number 4 for us?
Sure. Number 4 says, Mrs. Angelino made 2 pans of lasagna and cut each pan into 12ths. Her family ate 1 1/12 pans of lasagna for dinner. How many pans of lasagna were left? So, who's playing that? Oh.
Irfan, stop playing music.
So altogether, there are 24 pieces because 12 times 2 is 24. And if the family ate 1 1/12, that means that there's 11/12 left.
Good, 11/12 left. I like the way you did that. You said there's 11 slices of pizza left because there were 24 total. And it's the same thing as doing 2 minus 1 1/12. Okay, and we would have to borrow, make our 2 a 1. All right, so it's like we have 1 12/12 minus 1 1/12, and we get 11/12 pan left. Okay, number 5, Grant.
Number 5, the next pattern is wait.
What's going on there, Grant? Is it
Can't get it.
Grant, is it increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to add something. We have 0.54, 0.60, 0.66, 0.72. What are we adding, Grant? 54, 60, 66, 72. What are we adding?
6.
0.06. Good. So we have 0.72 is our last one. What would the next one be?
1 second.
You want to add 0.06. So add 6 to 72, basically.
Wait, is it? Wait,
it's 0.06, but you could think in your head, add 6 to 72.
Mm-hmm.
What do you got?
Still thinking. 70.78.
Wait, I have a question. So
That's
this has nothing to do with any of our problems, but like number 6, it kind of reminded me of can a power be applied to other numbers other than 10? So like can a 6 have like or like have a 7 and a 2 next to it?
Yeah. Yep, that's like 6 squared. So it would be 6 times 6, which would be 36. Okay. All right. Number 6, Pia.
Okay. I said 10 to the second power.
Yep, good. How do you write 10 or 100 is a power of 10? 10 to the second power. That means 10 times 10. Okay. Just like we did the last 2 pages in this section, I'm going to have you do the last 2 pages in the next section for tomorrow. I want you to do page 575, numbers 2 to 4, and 576, numbers 1 to 6. Okay, I'm going to hold that up so you can see it. Make sure you do your homework, because your classwork is your assessment for this section. We're not going to take time to do an entire test on this section because we only have 2 weeks, and we want to make sure we look at some of the other. Our next section is on converting units of measure. We want to hit that.
Okay, so then for 6th grade, are we taking the test for this part, or are we just not taking the test?
For this chapter?
Yes.
No, we're not taking a test. Your assessment's just your classwork, what you do with me in class.
So will we regularly take a test, or will we regularly not take a test?
We're not. This is your test that you came to class and you worked hard and you knew you were answering questions. You know what you're doing.
So for these 2 weeks, most of our work is just answering questions.
Yeah, because it's more important to me that we get to cover the units of measure and look at some of the geometry. It's more important to me what you learn rather than me taking time to test you. Okay, then your assessment.
Okay.
Not that we won't take assessments. You know, maybe at the very end or next year when we're back to school.
Okay, so
obviously.
for oh yeah, so this also means that there's not going to be any Google assignments, right?
Well, if there is, I'll let you know. There's none for today. Today, it's just these 2 pages.
Okay.
Okay. Or anybody have any other questions?
We have to make the line plot on number 2 on page 5, right? We have to like graph all the points.
Number 2, yeah. So for number 2, you're going to graph those points and then you connect them with a line. Hopefully it forms a straight line. It should. Okay, it should be a linear equation. Okay? All right, guys, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.